Let's look at the top 5 reasons why most people are broke. If you're new to the channel and want to learn how to make money while you sleep, subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll never miss a video. Number 5. They borrow money to make large purchases they can't afford. If you're trying to get ahead financially, it's important to avoid borrowing money for depreciating assets like fancy cars and luxury speedboats. Why? Because when you borrow money for a depreciating asset, you're essentially paying interest on something that's losing value. So not only are you paying interest, but you're also losing money on the investment itself. It's a lose-lose situation. Number 4, they don't consistently invest. Most people wait until they have a bonus from work or a tax refund, and then they quickly spend it all. While there's nothing wrong with enjoying your hard-earned money, if you want to build real wealth, you need to start investing it on a regular basis. The reason is simple. The sooner you start investing, the longer your money has to grow. And compound interest is one of the most powerful forces in the universe. Over time, it can turn a small sum of money into a nice fortune. Number 3. They have credit card debt. While there are many reasons why people find themselves in debt, one of the most common is credit card debt. While credit cards can be a useful tool for managing finances, they can also quickly spiral out of control. Interest rates on credit cards are often very high, and it can be easy to make only the minimum payment each month. As a result, the balance owed can quickly become unmanageable. Furthermore, missed or late payments can damage your credit card score, making it difficult to obtain new lines of credit in the future. Number 2, they don't have a budget. Many people don't even know what a budget is. A budget is simply a plan for your finances. It ensures that you are spending less than you earn and investing the rest. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend and get into debt. This is why most rich people live by a budget. It's one of the key secrets to their success. Having a budget doesn't mean that you have to live like a peasant, but it does mean being mindful of your spending and making sure that your money is working for you. Number 1, they don't have clear financial goals. How can you achieve something if you don't even know what you're aiming for? It's like trying to hit a target that's obscured by fog. You might get lucky and hit it once in a while, but chances are you'll miss more often than not. By contrast, if you have clear financial goals, you'll know exactly what you need to do in order to achieve them. You'll be able to focus your efforts and resources on the things that will move you closer to your goal, instead of wasting time and money on things that aren't really relevant. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.